Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today, I'm going to make my mom's famous health and energy booster drink and also an instant skin brightening vitamin C bath paste. For the drink, grind 6 almonds and 3 walnuts after sun drying. Sun drying makes them easier to grind. Take 3 cardamom pods. Add in the seeds too. Most of the health drinks we get in the markets are filled with sugar, artificial flavorings, and preservatives, and they're so expensive. Trust me, true health drinks can be made easily at home at the fraction of the cost of store bought ones, and this recipe is one of the best. To the ground mixture, add in half cup of sprouted ragi flour. Now mix well. Nuts are rich in protein, and ragi is rich in antioxidants, protein, vitamins, and minerals like calcium and iron. Sprouting ragi increases the bioavailability and absorption of calcium, iron, and other nutrients. It is easier to digest, and it also reduces the anti-nutrients present in ragi. This powder can be stored for up to 2 weeks at room temperature if stored away from moisture. To make the drink, take 2 tumblers of water in a bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of the prepared powder. Mix well till no lumps remain. Now pound a small piece of organic jaggery. Add it too. If you're using regular jaggery, heat it in little water till melted, strain, and then use. Now light the fire. Cook till the color of the liquid darkens a little, which indicates that it is cooked. Once it is cooked and thickened a bit, remove from the fire. Now add in half tumbler of whole milk. Mix well. This drink is so tasty, filling, and very healthy. It can be consumed both by adults and children. If consumed regularly, it will really help boost growth in children. If had by adults, it will improve energy and vitality. A cup of this in the morning will keep you satiated for a very long time. If you're lactose intolerant, you can skip milk and consume the drink. It will still be very tasty. For making the bath paste, grind 2 tablespoons of oats in a mortar and pestle. Here I am using quick cooking oats. Now take a papaya. Cut into small pieces. Papaya prevents signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines, and the enzyme papain found in papaya helps exfoliate the skin gently and gives the skin a healthy glow. Take 5 to 6 cut papaya pieces in a mortar and pestle. Grind to a smooth paste. Add in the oat flour. Add in a tablespoon of orange peel powder. Finally, add in 1/4 teaspoon of kasturi turmeric powder. Grind well to get a smooth paste. To use, take the paste and apply it all over the body. Massage for a few seconds and then wash it off. You can use this instead of soap. This paste cleans the skin well and at the same time treats skin infections, body odor, dryness, and uneven skin tone. This bath paste will immediately brighten even the most dull and damaged skin. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.